Khushamdeed, a very warm welcome back to the Balti House Rishton YouTube channel. My name is Hussain. On behalf of my brothers Hari, Mahfouz, Mamoon, the whole team at the Balti House Rishton, I'm in Pakistan sharing some recipes with you. Today I'm making a chicken and spinach curry the way how Mum has always made it for us. It won't be the same level as the way Mum makes it, but she has taught me a lot, so I'm going to try my level best to share this recipe with you with simple ingredients, all locally sourced in the village. I'm starting with a clay pot. Pot here is made with clay, and traditionally here, majority of the cooking in the village is done in clay pot. I'm going to add some vegetable oil, approximately. Now you may, if you want to sweat the onions, you'll use less oil. If you want to saute the onions properly, we generally use a bit extra oil. You can drain excess oil if you want to. So roughly 7 to 9 tablespoons. So I'm going to wait for the oil to heat up. All the ingredients, I've got them chopped up, especially the reason being why, from previous feedback, people have said shorten the videos, so I've done the chopping beforehand, so it saves some time for all the viewers, but I'm still going to try my level best. You're able to make the recipes easily at home, so I won't be in a slow pace, I won't be very fast paced, so hope you watching, and I'll start with adding the onions. So I've got sliced onions here, finely sliced, not too thick, finely sliced, so they cook and kind of saute well in the oil. Oil's heating up nicely. Now we're all ready to add our onions, 2 medium-sized onions. Now once I've added the onions, I'm going to add some salt just to drain the moisture out of the onions so they kind of wilt and caramelize fast. Salt to taste. I'm just going to start off with a small teaspoon, then later on may need to add some more salt. As in our childhood, when we used to visit Pakistan, we used to sit beside my grandmother along while she was cooking. She used to be cooking, and she'd share her childhood stories with us and many of the talks. It was really, really nice. May God bless her soul. She's passed away now, and she used to cook always with a clay pot. I'm going to be adding some whole cumin now. As cumin, while the onions are I'm waiting for the onions to brown, I'm going to add some cumin and some mustard seeds. It'll release its own flavour, just a small teaspoon, not too much. So just getting the balance right. Gradually the onions are being sautéed, they're being caramelised. It'll take a wee bit longer, and once they've caramelised, then I'll start adding more spices into the dish. Onions are being caramelized very nicely. Now I need to start adding the ginger and the garlic. 1 tablespoon garlic. So 1 tablespoon ginger I added first, sorry. Now 1 tablespoon of garlic. Just give it a gentle stir so everything gets, the ginger and the garlic must be browned. The onions are browned very nicely, lovely. Chicken, all the ginger, garlic, all the flavor will be infused in the chicken and it'll be more tasty. I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes, approximately 1.5 chopped tomato, but it's large tomatoes I've used. If it's medium, you can add 2 medium tomatoes, finely chopped. I know the taste will be lovely as The ingredients are nice. It's a clay pot as well. Everything will be really nice. Organic chicken here, bought from in the village locally. Once the chicken has started changing its color, it becomes cooked. Then I'll add the spices, and then finally we're going to add our fresh spinach leaves. The oil, the water is being drained out from the chicken, the tomatoes, all the spices, everything's bonding well nicely together. We're very proud our authentic dishes, most of all our ingredients, everything, it's under the supervision of Mum. We source only the best for the best. Also, many of the viewers have mentioned where can we purchase the aluminium frying pans. Soon we'll be having a range of copper pans. We have aluminium pans in stock as well, and they will be on our website very soon, www.baltihousrishton.com. Also a new company with our own spices, curryfactory.com, that will be live very soon with lots of spices all put together at the Balti House and for all the customers. Now if you can see here, this is the stage I'm going to start adding the spices now as the chicken has changed its color. Approximately, not too much, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi powder. Coriander powder will be adding now. 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. Chilies to taste. If you like your dish spicy, you can add more chili powder. We're going to keep it mild to medium-ish, so I'm going to add approximately 1 and 2 teaspoons of chili powder. The aroma is lovely here. It's really, really nice, tasty. I'm adding the spinach leaves. Spinach leaf. Now we just stir it well so the spinach will wilt with the heat, and you don't want it to be totally wilted. You want to see the spinach whole as well, like not fully wilted. It'll be nice. Can you see the color changed? It's gradually, we're just going to let it simmer now, and our dish will be ready. Now at this stage, in about 5 minutes or so, we'll add some garam masala, and then I'm going to put some green chilies in now, fresh green chilies. Just a couple of chilies sliced. Now with methi, I'm going to put 2 pinchfuls, but I'm going to crush it within my fingers first for it to release its aroma. Oil has risen to the top and the colors change. It's really nice, nice spicy oil. The curry is coming along well, chicken and spinach curry, and I will show you shortly. I'm going to add some coriander, and at this stage I'll add some garam masala. 1 teaspoon of garam masala is enough. There we are. As you can see, we've got nice color here. Everything's bonding nicely. Now in this curry, you do not need to add any water because there's enough moisture from the spinach, from the chicken. Pinchful of coriander. Nice gentle stir. 5 more minutes, all ready. Where we wanted it to. We've still got some whole leaves, but it's wilted, it's cooked nicely. The dish is ready. I've got a chapati here, fresh made chapati. You can serve it with naan bread, pita breads as well. Now we're ready to be served. Hope you've enjoyed watching the video. When you cook your dish at home, I pray you enjoy it. The end result is good for you all. And as always, I love you all. Thank you for your kind support, feedback. Greetings from us all. Many thanks. Take care. See you soon with more videos.